Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can add bookmarks in Safari. Safari is a free web browser from Apple that is available on iOS, iPad OS and Mac OS. It is designed for Apple devices and offers a variety of features. One of the key features are bookmarks. Bookmarks in Safari are important because they help you quickly access your favorite website, saving your time and effort. So to add a bookmark in Safari on an iPhone, open the Safari app and navigate to the page you want to bookmark. Suppose we are navigating to a page called AccuWeather. So tap the share button, which looks like a square with an arrow here. Then we will choose add bookmark and then we will save it. So after saving it, on the add bookmark page, you can also edit the bookmark's name, edit the bookmark's URL. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.